Next up, we got our 10th and final big box from Series 6. This is our last chance to pull the Luka autographed jersey. Hopefully we can do it out of here. This is box 46 out of 50. So every spot's going to give you 2 random last name letters. So 20 total letters altogether. And I've got Tony with 1 spot in this, Rick M with 2, Todd M's got 1, Doug's got 4, Dan with 1, and then Lee's got 1 as well. So let's go ahead and randomize the last name letters first. So we'll mix this up 5 times. Now let's go ahead and randomize this 5 times and match them up with the letters. So every spot's going to give you 2 random last name letters in this. So everybody's hoping for the last name D. Let's see who's going to walk away with it. All right, here we go. So Dan, you've got last name letters N and E. Doug, you've got S, R, A, B, F, H, J, and W. Lee, you've got V and L. Rick, you've got C, T, Y, and D again. Dude, you had D in both of them. Todd has K and G, and then Tony, you've got P and M. All right, so there are your letters for this one. So break number 10 all together. As I mentioned last time, we're going to be doing Series 7 starting next week. They've raised the price again on them, but I'm going to keep the price what I've been doing for this series. So $85 a spot is what it'll be. So if you want to get in on that starting next week, you can let me know. Todd at TennskinBreaks.com. All right, another autographed helmet up first. I don't know who that is. Looks like an 80. All right, not bad. Dan, you may have thought you weren't going to get anything with last name E. There you go. How about an Evan Ingram autographed Giants helmet? Fanatics certified, so there's the C of A on the back. All right, we got an autographed World Series program. That looks to be Wade Boxx. 96 World Series champs, 2-time Gold Glove inscribed. It's David Adams certified. 1996 World Series program. So B on that will be Doug. See if we can get a Peyton Manning. He was one of the headline items, wasn't he? I think he was a helmet, though, if I'm not mistaken. Dude. Rick. It took 10 boxes, bro, but we did it. We pulled the freaking Luka jersey. Our 10th and final box. Come the heck on. JSA certified. Dude, that's like a baby blue looking jersey. Got some sweet colors in there. It is an NBA logo, man. My goodness. Rick, we've pulled you the Kobe. We've pulled you now the Luka. We've pulled, gosh, what was the other one we pulled? We pulled another huge hit. What a monster. Amazing, dude. Nice hit on the Luka. I'm going to get a picture of that and get that on Instagram for sure. Amazing. What else we got in here? All right. It's been a while, man. We used to pull him all the time. They're trying to unload more inventory. So there's Adam Jones. Last name J on that will be Doug. So Fanatics certified, MLB authenticated as well. It's about time, man. I feel like you had last name D in a bunch of these. All right, and this is going to be, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is our last one. Oh, dude, another nice one. Dang, how about a Josh Allen autographed Bills jersey? 2 really nice jerseys in this one. So last name A on that will be Doug. There you go, Doug. David Adams certified. And that's how we're going to finish up Series 6. Pulling the Megger, the monster. So we'll get those items in the mail to you tomorrow. Rick, let me know if you want extra insurance or anything on that. And appreciate you guys joining us. Don't forget we'll be doing Series 7 next weekend.